So I'm not really sure what I want to do with the Blazer, but I brought it up here. Figured I'd give you guys a walk around real quick of it. Maybe do a little pressure washing, get it cleaned up a little bit, and go from there. So this is I think it's a 2001 GMC Jimmy. It used to be my mom's, and I sold it to a friend, and then I bought it, and then I sold it to a friend for his daughter. She drove it for a little bit and got in an accident with it, and then I bought it back from him. But it's not bad. I mean, it's got a little bit of rust right there. It's not rusted through yet, but it's definitely bubbling and working its way through. So anyway, I'm going to set you up and get this thing pressure washed. I didn't show pressure washing the driver's side, but I do want to show you I kind of expected this, but not quite as bad as what it is, I guess. But let me turn you around and show you. Yeah, this is where they usually rust out. This one, it's the same. It rusted out too, but it's not as bad as what a lot of the ones here in Michigan are. Usually the ones here in Michigan are way up in here, are way up in here and all the way to the door and gone. I mean, like that. This, I can fix that. Probably cut it out along here and just form a piece of metal to fit on there. It should be good. But she cleans up pretty nice. I still do need to go over it with some bleach water or whatever, because it's still got well, maybe on a passenger side I can show you right here. It's still got a haze. Still dirty, but at least it's got a lot of the growth off. This side did good. It didn't bust out or anything. It does have a little bit right there, but it's a little soft, but nothing like that other side. So I'm not really let me turn around here. Not really sure where we're going to go with this one. I don't know if I'm just going to clean it up and put the front on it and sell it, or if I'm going to try getting it to run. It's when I stored it, when I put it in storage and everything, I had plastic or rags and stuff on the throttle body. And also the distributor was out of it and I had a rag in there. Well, animals decided they needed the rags worse than I did, I guess. And so I don't know how long or how many years this thing's been without having that carburetor covered or anything. I'm gonna see if the motor's free. I'm gonna try to get it to run. If not, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I don't know if I'm just gonna, like I said, put it together and sell it, or pull the motor out, put another motor in it, or I was kind of leaning toward pulling it out and putting that freshly rebuilt 350 that's bored 30 over in it. I don't know. We'll just have to play it by ear and see where we go from there. But let me turn you around and I'll show you the engine compartment and everything, because I didn't clean it yet. So before I pressure wash it, I put some aluminum foil over the throttle body, but you can see it's pretty nasty in here. For all I know, I got mice living up in the in the hood. Squirrels, who knows what, but all sorts of stuff's been living in here. I'll bring you guys back when I decide how far I'm going to go with it or what else I'm going to do to it next. I pulled it up front here to clean it up. Like I said, I don't know if I'm just going to pull it back there again and park it. And I don't know until I get some more time to work on it or what, but it is what it is. I'll bring you guys back in a little bit. I guess this little gem here is going to be put on the back burner as far as putting anything on the front or basically anything. I washed it, cleaned the windows, that's about it. I have another project. Well, not a project, but I have something else that I have to get done so that I can get it up for sale. And if you guys remember, my wife was in an accident, and I have a video with that car in it if you want to go back and check that out. But that car I got back together, and now I'm going to clean it all up, pull the seats out, pull the carpet out, detail it, vacuum it, scrub it down, and get that up for sale. So let me show you. So I got the old girl back together. Get this off of here. Basically the hood, front piece, the grill, both lights, that fender over there are all from a different vehicle. I think the color match is pretty good, so I'm pretty happy about that. That's so not too shabby. Oops. So I was waiting for the longest to get a grill for it. Those little puppies are like $200. That one was I think it was $170 used for that grill. Anyways, so I'll show you the inside real quick. There's a floor mat for it. I need to get the inside cleaned up. Get it all vacuumed out and everything. Get the carpet pulled out of it. I'm gonna pressure wash all the carpet and put some Purple Power on it, or Super Clean. I'm not sure which one. Probably Super Clean. Super Clean works really good. But as you can tell by the inside of the car, it's dirty. We have grandkids. We spoil the grandkids. So it is what it is. No big deal. I'll just vacuum it out and go from there. I'm not going to bore you guys with that. I'll just bring you back and show you the end result and everything, and we'll go from there. So I don't know how long this video is going to be or not for this week. I'll bring you back. I'm starting to put the interior back together into the Avenger. So I figured I'd bring you back, show you each step as I go, I guess, the progression of it. Progress of it. Anyways, let me turn you around and show you. So on here, I'm putting the carpet in. There's still some little fuzzies or something here. I'll vacuum those out. Get one of those lint things and get the lint off of it. But it's already looking way better. Much better. But if you're going to detail a car, there's definitely no other way to do it other than pull the seats out, pull the carpet out, pressure wash everything, and you just can't get it as cleaned in the car as you can with it pulled out and pressure washed. So I'll get you in here when I put the seats and start putting the seats and stuff in it. We got the carpet in, we got the trim the sill plates and the kick panels and stuff like that. We got that plastic in on the car. I'll just turn you around and show you. So it looks pretty good. I mean, when I wipe things down, when I wipe the plastic down and the dash and all that stuff, I don't use any Armor All or anything like that. I use just regular hot soapy water. That's all I use. Carpet's in. It's got little, you can see them right there, little fuzzy things floating around on the carpet for some reason. I'm gonna work on putting the back seat in tonight because I'm probably gonna go out hunting here in a little bit. So I'm just doing a little bit as I can, and usually for about an hour, maybe 2 hours after work. And then that way, and then I'm gonna go outside or go out back, go hunting. So I guess I'll bring you back to show you that. Back seat is in. The little fuzzy things I was talking about earlier, those are from a one of them fuzzy steering wheel covers. My wife had one in here and the stuff just got all over everything. I just noticed that on the seat belt over there's a bunch on it, and I don't know if there is on this one. A little bit, but not bad. So yeah, folks, keep the fuzzy steering wheel covers and seat covers and stuff. Keep them out of your car and you won't have that issue. There's the other side. It really turned out good. There was on that seat there was a big stain on it, but I got that out. It's really looking quite nice. Other than some of this stuff here. I'll probably have to vacuum it out again. But it's looking pretty nice. Center console's in. Back seat, center console. Got the heater controls. All that put back together. Now just, ooh, there we go. Nope, there. Now I just need to put the seats back in it. Oh, and then this piece right here, the armrest for the center console. The armrest, that won't be here for, I don't know, another week and a half to 2 weeks. I had to buy that on eBay because nobody seems to have it. And if they do want it, they want an arm, a leg, and your firstborn child. And I wasn't going to do that. Even on eBay, used, I mean, that's used parts even at a junkyard or on eBay. I just happened to stumble across one out of however many that was in a price range and had the complete armrest. It's not, the prices weren't even for the complete armrest. The part that I need wasn't even on armrest. So, like I said, I found one company that had the complete, or one junkyard or whatever that had the complete thing. So I hurried up and jumped on that. I guess I'm gonna head out back. Maybe I can get me a deer tonight, but I'll be back on this tomorrow night, and hopefully I'll get both front seats in and have the inside completely done other than that armrest. Don't know if you guys can tell, but got the seats and everything in, and it's pretty clean inside. I mean, the detailing that I did, I think is really going to pay off. Very nice. Like I said, I got that coming. That'll be here in a week and a half. That panel I got to put down there, but I took the panel off because I'm not sure if I want to leave the remote start on here. But anyways, this is I think it turned out really good. It doesn't have any stains in the seat anymore, no rings or whatever you want to call it, and just a very, very clean and effective way to detail a car and hopefully get the most amount of money out of it that you can. I'll take those little trees off of there. I still got to wipe it down a little bit more, and I want to go through with a vacuum because it's still got little fuzzies or whatever. The car's really turned out pretty nice. I mean, I'm happy with it. The one thing I have left on it now is I want to get the car still running. No ticking or anything like that. But I still want to get the air conditioner charged. That's really about it. The air conditioner charged. I want to get that center console piece. And maybe the remote start. And the only reason why I say I want to get the remote start off is because for some reason with this car and with the remote start that was installed on it, the only way to start this car, is with the remote start. You can't just put the key in it and turn it and go. You have to hit the remote start and go through all the whole sequence and stuff like that. And I know if I was buying a car, I wouldn't want to do that. In fact, if I owned this car, I wouldn't want to do that. But my wife, she wanted a remote start. She's very happy with it. She's happy with the car. She's happy with the way the remote start works. So there's nothing, nothing wrong with that or anything. If that's what she likes, I was more than happy to go ahead and have it done and let them do what they were doing, because the company that put it in did ask me or let me know about it, and I almost thought about having them take it out, but she's like, no, let's try it first, and she seems to like it, so I'm happy about it. Happy wife, happy life. But anyway, so I guess I will bring you back in a little bit to show something else, whatever else I do before the videos getting editing, or maybe I'll just come back and do an outro. I could take you back deer hunting with me, but I don't know. We'll see. Guess I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this video up with this, or with the getting the interior clean to that car and everything. Didn't have a lot of time to do a bunch of other stuff because I was kind of preoccupied. It's hunting season, and well, let's just say I was out trying to get me some deer. What else? I don't know what else to cover right now. And I don't know which vehicle I'm going to get on in the next video. Not sure if I'm gonna, I don't know, work on the Blazer, work on the 78. I don't know. I guess you'll just have to tune in and next week and find out. I guess with that, I just want to say thank you for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing, all that good stuff that we all say at the end of our videos. And again, thank you. God bless you, and I will catch you on the next one.